Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetumi afem the great ampo. Mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. We are Buewate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
What's up? Everything cool. Wow, me brother. Yeah, me brother. Charlie, make I talk you something. Character, check like woman way they preg. Oh, yeah, damn about. That's what I talk you. So if you dare society inside, if you dare country inside, Usuba and Kasama, make you not make them talk bad name about you. Then talk bad name about you. What you now you will get? Unyashi. So how ma Usuba no ni no anya the pa na microphone nya sampire and can found. Yeah, that's what I want to talk you. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. Charlie be my name. Me na my name. You know be no bro in him, and this be celebrity what? Yawa. Yeah, be celebrity Yawa. Make I talk you something. If you not subscribe to the YouTube channel, it be Too Much GH and Too Much GH. If you not subscribe because anything beer way they go on for the social media talk. It be me now where I can't talk you. Any yawa beer, anything beer where they trend. Where maybe what 17 years, it be me now where I can't talk you then you go understand. Tell me make I talk you something. We know Chris Waddle, the AMG boss, that man. You can't do something. They can't talk you what you do. The thing to where you do, you know I go baffle your mind. Sir, there respect my calculated flows and punchlines, Chris Waddle, that's what Chris Waddle can talk. You know, say Chris Waddle is day. Sometimes you go offbeat, sometimes you know, be say offbeat or like on the you know, you offbeat mum, a do answer, son of a cassa, son of a everything be everything to the go and give up. You saw recently on the Cosiata, you say what can come. I say because of niggas, you know they release track anyhow. That thing way you talk no we na you know be you way they do something give yourself. Mu say ni pana we ye you mama na ye tie na we niska. E ye ni tua ka if you do song if you do where they can't disrespect you say Charlie so of niggas you know go do track givers there. Then you now what you do ni be yawa. You did this morning no. When you tell like in fans they take chat and they take chat to them things. When one of your fans be can't talk something. The fans talk say, that what is the statement where you make, you know, that be why Sako they fear you. Well, Chris Waddle can say, no. Sako they respect me. The way I rap, the way I do my things, my punchlines on point then things, you know. Sako they respect me, so Sako they that be what you go fit up. When one of the fans to talk say, hey, you Chris Waddle when you punchlines them, some of the flows the way you get. If you talk, you be money where you talk. The money too you talk now. You be known for things. You say if you pay about the girl pay, say so pay scan yama. One team can say you pay scan ko Bob Brown, you pay scan you be. That what in France need talk. In France need to. If they make one make I can't talk something where Charlie, you know be true or something. You say the way they talk. In France now when they talk. Say you know, you don't get any punchlines, you don't get anything beer way they do. When one from me to come pop up say, hey Chris Waddle, you what do they want to talk? What do they want to say? So according to the free your punchline and things. So I say, hey Charlie, this thing be matter. When someone way now says you didn't according to relationship, you did there. You know they there. When Chris Waddle to you do what you talk, aspire yourself. Aspire yourself, say you get punchlines, we know they care. We they enjoy your music, you get the flow and things. All those things need be musician way for talk them. When we of us we not be musician. We be musicians, we know they care, we they take our what today your music inside and things. Where Charlie Opana, people they talk so many things, back to back things where then they blow them for the social media talk for Twitter no. It no be easy. That be what you want. You go just say how they talk, you go just say the post you know the things. You did the screen top where they go. That be what Chris Waddle can't talk. Oh. In fans don't take that sham. The way they like, I don't know what Sako they do for Twitter. The way people they back them the things for them, no, it no be easy. Can say. Make not try, go try for WhatsApp or something. But you can't Twitter and pan there. I don't know what you do for Twitter there. That's what they go on. Make I talk you another thing too where they go on. Where you are, we know Rude Boy, P Square, that guy's. We know say recently they separate the things with things know they go on, then things for the Maasai say they go do music. Everyone did Mr. P then what? Rude Boy. Right now Rude Boy come out where you can't talk. Make I show you what Rude Boy can talk. I can't talk you know you go understand what you talk the thing where you go see the yawa the things where you talk. Me not be me where they can't talk. In this I can't really show you. Social media has made 23-year-old think that they are failed in life. Better relax. your life is about to start. That's what he talk. He talk no, you know, reach 4 seconds. Hey, social media there, Charlie, no be easy. You know, be celebrity power, you know, get her power or lie. You go pull gun, you pull gun to her. You see the person where you talk, I will kill her, you kill him to her, they will arrest you. You can say you pay where you did the word inside. You talk that thing, you say, make you not things in social media and things, you make old for life inside and things. When someone talk, say, you rude boy, see the machine and things. If you don't make pressure and things, how you go what? You go put your cars, your what? Your buildings and things, your family and things. Then put that for your phone top make it day your phone top Oh, you people all day more when they give us pressure. Well, say, someone they advise you. Someone they advise you. They find the way they talk. I don't know say rude boy can take a woman or rude boy can take in something. Charlie, the guy talk say rude boy make you not talk that thing. If things not they will make late for life inside, I know be your matter. You know be your matter. You people all day more. You people all day more where they pressure you. See me young boy where I be 19-year-old. I the one where Jim will go pull that thing. I don't get where I go sleep up. I the one Jim will go. You people all day more. Where they I make deal where the monitor things say Charlie. I will can't talk this. Make I talk you something. This life where we dey inside, it no be race. If you do your mind say Charlie, you go run plus horse. Horse go pass you. Unless maybe I don't know what you go do where you go pass the horse. So if you did this word inside that, if you take your time, if you know your craft, if you know what you want for your life, if you know the purpose, the things where you want to do plus your life. If you don't know that thing, every air go feel blow you, make you go anywhere for life inside. So if you see say people the massage their things, you go be say challenge me cry, make late for life inside. What if I do my life? See my friends, they buy cars, they buy house, then they do things. Me now, what they wrong me? Oh God, you know love me. When you now they kill your soul no, for your inside. You don't have to talk yourself. Me flambo, I go make up, I go. No. If you don't do all these things, where you don't know what to go do plus your life, madam for, my better forget it. Be behind farm. And so who are the best of the boy there? I hear, and son and Nemaya, they are farmer. Oh, my dear, about boy there. Uben in Nemusa, Uben in Nemua, Devachi, Adevasa, Unemusana, or Abawana do Quaha, Nedo Baha, never bought a skeleton, never room like the way they play or basketball, the room says Subu. That be what you go talk say Charlie, this like me fed up. Then depression will set inside. Then what? Plenty sickness way, Charlie, you get her. You go think how you now be fierce as so you go die. Just what? Just like that. That's what I don't flow you. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. Mankind be chill. Unsubscribe to our YouTube channel. So subscribe it. Subscribe this CL because everything be away they go on for social media and they be a gossip be where you hear, you see. Charlie, but when you feel you, what the person talking, you not talk one. It be me now, I will can't talk you. It be me flambo, where I can't explain things, show you. I can't do things, show you. Then go say, it be now way at what they happen. That's what I want to talk you. Prayer always work. Pow, 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 pow.